Hi, so I want to talk about my journey as an MLT/A with Anderson College. So I started the program without any background in science, and Anderson College was able to help me just navigate my way through. Um, it was a 50-week program, and in the 50-week we had bi-weekly practice put in, and I must say that the practice was a huge part of my success because it was helpful to just be in the lab and be hands-on, and it helped me retain the information and the knowledge that I needed. And not just that, I must commend Anderson College for its employment success program. It was a very good program. I appreciate it because I am a benefactor of that program. I was able to land a job a month after my program ended, and it was just because I was preparing for the certification exam, the MLPAO certification exam. That's why I didn't start applying right away, but the moment I started applying, I got a job right away. And it was just as a result of, being prepared, being passionate about what I do. I must advise you that if you want to be an MLT, you must be passionate about what you do. You must love what you do, because if you don't love it, it is a high pressure career. You're going to be pressured a lot. So if you don't love it, imagine that would, set you off real quickly. And you're dealing with people on a day-to-day basis, so you cannot afford to be set off easily, right? So I must say that I appreciate the input of Anderson College. I appreciate my time there. I appreciate my lecturers, my classmates. They all came together to support one way or the other and made me the success that I am today. And I must appreciate my family as well, because it wasn't an easy time. I had newly just had a baby, 6 months old baby, when I started the program. And the schedule was really helpful because I have other kids as well. So I had a good schedule with Anderson College that helped me to navigate through. Okay, when I initially applied, I applied for the morning classes. And then because I had a new baby, I had to move over to the evening class, which worked perfectly well for me, and it was seamless. I was able to communicate freely with my teachers, my lecturers, and it made everything easy. And I must commend Anderson College for that. And I must say that, if you want to be an MLT or MLA, you must be passionate and you must love what you do. I am a success today because I love what I do. I am passionate about it. Despite the fact that I don't have any science background, I put my 110 into it just so I can come up on top. And I'm glad that I did. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. That's my encouragement to anybody that wants to do the MLT program with Anderson College. It's a good college to go to. I did a couple of research before I started. There's not so much information online, so you could get discouraged, but then I went into it, took the bull by the horn, and I am a success story. Bye.